everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Giorgiana and today I'm going to show you this amazing Christmas look. So if you want to recreate it, please stay with me. Okay, so let's start. As you can see, I have already applied my foundation and I have used this one, which is a new brand called, it's from the same brand that I have used in other videos. This is Catrice and this is a new makeup. Good. And I have concealed my eyes, I did my eyebrows. If you want to see how I did it, you can check my latest video. There I have tutorials where you can see how I usually apply my foundation. Okay, so I'm going to do my eyes now. I'm going to use an eyeshadow cream. Firstly, I want to do like a smoky eye, you know, but for Christmas and with a bit of glitter and so on. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply an eyeshadow base, and I'm going to use this one from Kiko. Okay. Oh, what happened? I don't know. This is the problem. I think I'm going to do it with my finger. Guys, if you had this problem once in your life, please comment down below, because this could happen to you. I have broken it. You know that I'm using almost the time my fingers, because I have to recognize that I don't have brushes. I have less brushes for my eyes than for my face. The only brushes that I have are from AliExpress. If you want, I can show you the ones that I'm using. They were so cheap. They have a good quality, I should say. Maybe in the future I'm going to invest more in my eyeshadow brushes, and I will tell you which brand I'm going to buy it. Okay, but for now I have to use all my resources that I have at the moment. So I have applied the eyeshadow cream from Kiko, and now I'm going to use this palette, the Too Faced palette, the peach one. And here I'm going to use the shade which is called Luscious. I think it's here. Yes. Today I'm so clumsy. I don't know why, all the things that I am doing. Okay, and I'm using this brush, guys, because I want to apply it on my eyelids and put it here, you know, like small dips. Can you see? I totally forgot to use a transition shade. I didn't use it, but I'm going to show you how to use it, even if you miss, like me. I'm going to take a buffing brush, this one. This is from W7. And I'm going to use a transition color, but I think that for the transition color I'm going to use my Laguna bronzer from NARS, this one, because I find this color so nice, and I'm going to use it here like a transition color. Can you see it? I go up and down like this. Then with my finger, if I can see something that I don't like it. What do you think, guys? I should apply more? Yes. And for my crease, I'm going to take this color. Can you see it? It's called Cobbler. It's this one from here. It's this one. it's this one. It's a dark brown shade. And again, I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use the same brush. Now I'm going to take a buffing brush and with my small finger and a clean buffing brush, this one from Real Techniques, this brush, and I'm going to take the same color, I mean the darker one, the one that I have used before, and I'm going to put it on my lower part of the eye. And to intensify my eye shape, I'm going to put it again here. Yes, more or less. And now I'm going to take another color and I'm going to use Charm from here to underline my lash line, because I don't want to use an eyeliner, or because I don't usually like eyeliners. To be honest, I think that the shape of my eye it's strange when I put eyeliner on. Okay, I have intensified a little bit my eye shade, and I'm going to take this Knoll crayon. Well, it's a black, and I'm going to use it here a little bit. Now I'm going to take another, I don't remember, eye pencil, yes. It's called Glamorous Pencil, and it's from Kiko, and the number is 414. It has like a small, this one I have used it a lot. It has like purple inside, I don't know why. You're going to see it now. And with my small finger, and with my finger, I'm going to do this. Smudge it, you know? It's like a simple baby eyeliner, but a smudgy one. What do you think? I think it's nice. Well, another thing that I'm going to do is curling my eyelashes. I totally forgot to curl my eyelashes. Now I'm going to do it. This is from Essence. It's a good one, should say. Can you see? Like now I have my eyes more open. Good. Now I want to use this cream, and this is, I don't know if it will be the right shade. This is from Kiko, Color Lasting Creamy Eyeshadow. I'm going to use it, but only here on the top. Oh, this is so nice, because I needed like a support, because I'm going to add like more glitter. Okay, I'm going to use like a shade which is from the Sleek palette, The shade that I'm going to use is very shimmery. It's a yellow one. I'm going to show you now. You always can use the eyeshadow creams to create more base and intensify the color. If, for example, you have a palette which is not very well pigmented, you can use the eyeshadow base and on top the eyeshadow. Can you see the one that I have used? This one is really nice. I have used like different colors. I have used this one and this one from the bottom. But now I want to use them on the bottom of my eyes as well. I'm buffing. Now I'm going to use my Monsieur Big from Lancôme. This mascara, it's so good, I like it. So, as well, eyelashes, false eyelashes. This is so good, this mascara. This is one of the best mascara that I have tried. For the bottom lashes, I'm going to use another mascara which is called I Love Extreme. Better for your bottom lashes. I'm going to use it on top as well because the brush is amazing. It would separate everything. What do you think? Well, more or less I have finished with my eyes. I always, when I finish a look, I always try to analyze and see if I should retouch my eyes or my lips or my skin. It depends, okay? So for now I'm happy with it. But now I'm going to do my lips, okay? I'm going to apply a little bit of lip balm. Lip balm, yes. I'm using one from the drugstore, which is called Repavar. It's from a Spanish brand, I suppose. To do my lips, I'm going to use this soft, precise lip pencil from Essence to underline my lips, and therefore I'm going to use this Sephora lip stain, and the number is 01. This one, it's quite matte. So let's start. Okay, now I'm going to apply the lip stain from Sephora, and I'm going to do it with a brush. This one. This is a lip brush. If you can see, I have overlined a bit my lips. It looks like I have more lips than normally. And yes, I have finished with the lips. Now I'm going to retouch my skin. I'm going to use a bit of highlighter, more bronzer. Okay, I think it's amazing. I think this color from Sephora, it's my oldest favorite one. It's for holidays. It's suitable for maybe a lunch that you want to wear something on your lips, but you don't want to exaggerate with the makeup on your eyes. So yes, it's a very good one. But let me show you. I'm going to use a bit of highlighter. I'm using this one from Tilburry. Here you have a duo. You have a highlighter and you have the bronzer. Talking about bronzer, I'm going to use the bronzer. Here. And of course on my cheeks, I'm going to use this Cheek Heat from Maybelline. This red lips. And I'm applying, as you can see, I'm applying it with small dabs. With my beauty blender, I'm trying to buffing a little bit. Great. And I think I have finished it. I don't know if I should use, well, yes, I'm going to use a bit of the blusher, and that's the finished look. Tell me how it looks. Do you like it? Have you enjoyed it? I'm going to that's the finished result. I hope that you have enjoyed. I think it's a very nice makeup for holidays. So please subscribe to my channel if you have loved this tutorial and for more videos of this type.